ni aku sebagai warga Malaysia, aku tengok Presiden Prabowo ni membuat pidato di depan ratusan pemimpin dunia begitu dengan ketegasan, dengan dia minta keadilan. Aku betul-betul respect. Aku betul-betul respect dengan Presiden Indonesia, guys. Presiden Prabowo, aku respect dia, guys. Di hadapan ratusan pemimpin dunia di situ, Presiden Prabowo dia boleh menyampaikan dia punya pidato tu tanpa menggunakan teks, tanpa menggunakan kertas, tanpa dia lihat apa-apa pun.
Indonesia is prepared to
Push
deploy
20,000 di depan PBB, guys ya. Di depan PBB, Presiden Indonesia, Presiden Prabowo Subianto menyatakan PBB dia menyokong keamanan ni kan. Presiden Prabowo akan mengirimkan 20,000 personil, guys ya. 20,000 anggota akan diturunkan. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel again, yang comment react. Boom. Okay guys, sidang umum PBB, panggung diplomasi dunia, tempat negara-negara besar bicara dan negara-negara kecil seringkalinya hanya mendengar. Tapi kali ini segalanya berubah. Presiden Indonesia Prabowo Subianto melangkah ke mimbar dengan kepala tegak, wajahnya serius, tidak ada basa-basi lagi dan tidak ada senyuman basa-basi lagi. Di hadapan ratusan pemimpin dunia, Prabowo, Presiden Indonesia, tidak berbicara dengan bahasa yang biasa mereka dengar, tapi dia berbicara dengan ketegasan. Tangan kanannya menghentak meja dan setiap hentakan itu seperti alam keras yang mengguncang ruang sidang. Dia tidak menuding siapa-siapa, tapi semua pemimpin dunia tahu yang diam juga bersalah. Dan saat dia berkata, Indonesia siap mengirim 20,000 personel untuk misi perdamaian dunia, semua mendadak diam lalu tepuk tangan berdiri menggema dari segala penjuru ruangan. Seluruh pemimpin dunia terkejut. Mereka tak menyangka bahawa negara yang dulu dianggap hanya penonton kini berdiri paling depan dalam isu kemanusiaan. Ini bukan sekadar pidato, ini adalah deklarasi keras bahawa Indonesia tak akan tinggal diam lagi. Inilah momen paling berani dari seorang pemimpin Indonesia, iaitu Presiden Prabowo Subianto. Jadi tanpa perlu kita buang masa guys, jom kita terus masuk ke video tersebut. Stay tune. Tiga. Ini pidato yang kedua guys ya. Yang pidato yang pertama tu ada masalah
Mr.
teknikal.
Antonio Guterres, Secretary General of the United Nations, Her Excellency Madam Annalena Baerbock, President of the United Nations General Assembly, His Excellency Mr. Moses Abelian, Under Secretary General for General Assembly and Management, Excellencies, Heads of States, Heads of Governments, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great honor for me to stand in this August General Assembly Hall among leaders and representatives who represent almost all of humanity. We differ in race, religion, and nationality, yet we gather together today as one human family. We are here first and foremost as fellow human beings, each created equal, endowed with unalienable rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The words of the United Nations Declaration of Independence have inspired democratic movements across continents, including the French Revolution, the Russian Revolution, the Mexican Revolution, the Chinese Revolution, and Indonesia's own struggle and journey to freedom. It also gave birth to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, adopted by the United Nations in 1948. All men are created equal.
Tapi aku berperasan lah kan, Presiden Prabowo ni dia berpidato tanpa teks. Kalau kamu perasan lah, dia tak tengok pun yang kertas dia bagi tu.
The creed that opened the way to unprecedented global prosperity and dignity. And yet, in our own era of scientific and technological triumphs, an era capable of ending hunger, poverty, and environmental ruin, we also continue to face today grave dangers, challenges, and uncertainties. Human folly, fueled by fear, racism, hatred, oppression, and apartheid, threatens our common future. My country knows this pain. For centuries, Indonesians
Ramai orang di
lived
situ kan. Ini
under
pemimpin-pemimpin
colonial
dunia semua guys ya.
domination, oppression, and slavery. We were
Penindasan.
treated less than dogs in our own homeland.
Itu cerita zaman
We
penjajahan
Indonesians
dulu
know
guys ya.
what it means to be denied justice and what it means to live in apartheid, to live in poverty, and to be denied equal opportunity. We also knew what solidarity can do in our struggle for independence, in our fight to overcome hunger, disease, and poverty. The United Nations stood with Indonesia and gave us vital assistance. Decisions are made here based on human solidarity by the Security Council, and this assembly gave Indonesia independence, international legitimacy, opened doors, and supported our early development through the efforts of the United Nations Children Fund, the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, the FAO, the World Health Organization, and many, many other United Nations institutions. And because of that, Indonesia today stands on the cusp of shared prosperity and greater equality and dignity. Madam President, Excellencies, our world today is driven by conflict, injustice, and deepening uncertainty.
Sekejap aku stop video ni. Apa yang mau jawab sini Presiden Prabowo, aku respect dia guys ya. Sebab dia boleh bercakap begitu. Dari tadi aku perhatikan, aku diam, aku perhatikan, aku tengok apa yang dia cuba sampaikan. Semua ada isi semua guys ya. Dan aku respect kenapa di hadapan ratusan pemimpin dunia di situ, Presiden Prabowo dia boleh menyampaikan dia punya pidato tu tanpa menggunakan teks, tanpa menggunakan kertas, tanpa dia lihat apa-apa pun. Oh, respect guys. Dia tidak gemetar sama sekali. Gila.
Every day we witness suffering, genocide, and blatant disregard for international law and human decency. In the face of these challenges, we must not give up. As the United Nations Secretary General said, we cannot give up. We cannot surrender our hopes or our ideals. We must draw closer, not drift apart. Together we must strive to achieve our hopes, our dreams. The United Nations was born from the ashes of the Second World War that claimed scores of millions of lives. It was created to secure peace, security, justice, and freedom for all. We remain committed to internationalism, to multilateralism, and to every effort that strengthens this great institution. Today, Indonesia is nearer than ever before to meeting the sustainable development goals of ending extreme poverty and hunger. Because years ago, this very chamber chose to listen and uphold social and economic justice. We will never forget. And today, we must never be silent while Palestinians are denied that same justice and legitimacy in this very hall.
Betul.
Excellencies, Thukydides
warned, diberikan tepuk tangan guys ya.
The strong do what they can, the weak suffer what they must. we must reject this doctrine. The United Nations exist to reject this doctrine. We must stand for all, the strong and the weak. Might cannot be right. Right must be right.
Uy. Apa tuh ayatnya?
Indonesia today
Apa tadi ayatnya tuh? Sedap lah guys.
must be right. Be right. Right cannot
Yang kuat tidak bisa selalu benar.
be right. Right
Yang benar
must be right. Indonesia today is one of the largest contributors to
Wah.
United Peacekeeping Forces.
Patutlah Presiden
We
Amerika
believe
Donald
in
Trump
United
tuh bagi
Nations.
pujian dengan
We will
pidato
continue to
Presiden
serve.
Prabowo nih.
Where peace needs guardians, not with just words, but with boots on the ground. If and when the United Nations Security Council and this great assembly decide Indonesia is prepared to
Ush,
deploy
20.000.
20,000 or even more of our sons and daughters to help secure peace in Gaza or elsewhere.
Gila, salut aku ya. Wais. Di depan PBB guys ya. Di depan PBB Presiden Indonesia, Presiden Prabowo Subianto menyatakan apa kalau jika apa PBB ini menyokong keamanan nih kan, Presiden Prabowo akan mengirimkan 20.000 personil guys ya. 20.000 anggota akan diturunkan. Wih, bapak banyak siut.
In Ukraine, in Sudan, in Libya, everywhere when the peace needs to be enforced,
Oh,
peace needs to be guarded,
perdamaian.
we are ready. We will take our share of the burden, not only with our sons and daughters, we are also willing to contribute financially to support the great mission to achieve peace by the United Nations.
Ush.
Madam President, Excellencies, I propose to this Assembly a message of hope and optimism, grounded in action and execution. Today, we heard the speech of Madam President, the President of United Nations General Assembly. Yes, it is true what she said. Without the International Civil Aviation Organization, will we be here today? Will we sit in this great hall? Without the United Nations, we cannot be safe. No country can feel secure. We need the United Nations, and Indonesia will continue to support the United Nations. Even though we still struggle, but we know the world needs a strong United Nations.
Ya, betul.
The world's population is growing.
Ya.
Our planet is under strain. Food, energy, and water insecurity haunt many nations. We choose to answer these challenges directly at home and to help abroad wherever we can. This year, Indonesia recorded the highest rice
Indonesia
production
mencatat produksi
and
beras
grain reserves
dan
in our
cadangan garam
history.
tertinggi dalam sejarah
We are
kami.
now self-sufficient in rice, and we are starting now to export rice to other nations in need, including
Ush.
providing rice for Palestine. We are building resilient food supply chains, strengthening farmer productivity, investing in climate-smart agriculture to ensure food security for our children and for the children of the world. We are confident in a few years' time, Indonesia will be the granary of the world. As the world's largest island state, we testify before you that we are already experiencing the direct consequences of climate change, particularly the threat
Aku
of
nampak
rising
komen-komen ni
sea
semua
level.
komen-komen positif guys
The
ya.
sea level on the north coast of our capital city is increasing
Tapi
by
serius lah,
5 centimeters
Presiden Prabowo
every
punya English
Can you
speaking
imagine?
okay.
in 10 years.
Okay guys.
Can you imagine in 20 years? For this, we are forced to build a giant seawall,
Siwal.
480 kilometers in length.
Ush,
It will take us
bapak
maybe
panjang.
20 years, but
20
we have
tahun,
no choice. We have to start now. Therefore, we choose to confront climate change not by slogans, but by immediate steps. We are committed to meeting our 2015 Paris Agreement obligations. We aim to achieve net zero emission by 2060, and we are very confident we can achieve net zero emission much earlier. We aim to reforest more than 12 million hectares of degraded forest, to reduce forest degradation, to empower local communities with quality green jobs for the future. Indonesia is shifting decisively from fossil fuel-based
Best
development towards renewable-based development. From next year, most of our additional power generation capacity will come from renewables. Our goal is clear: to lift all of our citizens out of poverty and make Indonesia a hub for solutions to food, energy, and water security. Madam President,
Phew.
Excellencies, we live in a time when hatred and violence can seem to be the loudest voices. But beneath this loud noise lies a quieter truth, that every person longs to be safe, to be respected, to be loved, and to leave a better world to their children. Our children are watching. They are learning leadership not from textbook, but from our choices.
Ya, betul.
Today, still, a catastrophic situation in Gaza is unfolding before our eyes. At this very moment, the innocent are crying for help, are crying
To be
to be
safe.
saved. Who will save them? Who will save the innocent?
Ush, ayatnya.
Who will save the old and women?
Uy, gila ayat Presiden
Millions
Prabowo
are
ni.
facing danger.
Dia
At
tak
this
baca
very
teks
moment,
guys,
as
tapi
we sit here,
memang
they are
sampai
facing
guys ya.
trauma. They are facing irreparable damage to their bodies. They are dying of
Of
starvation.
starvation.
Can we remain silent? Will there be no answer to their screams? Will we teach
Terasa.
them that
Siapa?
the human family
Ini
can
confirm.
rise to the challenge?
Mereka istri
Madam
Will tu
President.
confirm terasa dengan ayat ni.
We must act now.
Tu
Many speakers have said that.
State of
We must
Palestine.
stand for a multilateral order where peace, prosperity, and progress are not the privilege of a few, but the right of all. With a strong United Nations, we can build a world where the weak do not suffer what they must, but live the justice that they deserve.
Betul.
Let us continue humanity's great journey of ideals,
Woi, respect
the
aku.
selfless aspirations that created the United Nations. Let us use science to uplift, not use science to destroy. Let rising nations help others to lift themselves. I am convinced that the leaders of the great world civilizations of the West, of the East, of the North,
Of the
of the
South.
South, leaders of America,
American.
Europe,
Confirm
of
Amerika
India,
terasa nih dengan ayat-ayat nih. Confirm.
China, the Islamic world, the whole world, I am convinced they will rise to their role demanded by history. We are all hopeful that the leaders of the world will show great statesmanship, great wisdom, restraint, humility, overcome hate, overcome suspicion.
Aku nampak begini kan macam Presiden Prabowo ni kan Presiden PBB yo aku tengok. Serius aku cakap biasa. Macam dia jadi Presiden PBB.
Madam President,
Tegas dia menyatakan
distinguished delegates,
semuanya.
we are greatly heartened by the events of the last few days, where significant leading countries of the world have chosen to side with history, to choose the right side of history, the path of the moral high ground, the path of rectitude, the path of justice, the path of humanity, to shun hatred, to overcome suspicion, and to avoid
Use of
the
violence.
use of violence. The use of violence will beget
Betul,
violence.
penggunaan kekerasan akan
No
menghasil
one country
melahirkan kekerasan lagi.
Can bully the whole community of the human family.
Oh, terasa nih, terasa Amerika sama Israel nih, confirm. Confirm.
We may be weak individually, but the sense of oppression, the sense of injustice has proven in the history of mankind that this sense of injustice, this sense of oppression will unite into a strong force that
Ush.
will overcome this oppression, that will overcome
Gila gue
this
merinding
injustice.
Syot. Sumpah lah.
To close, I would like to reiterate again Indonesia's complete support for the two-state solution in Palestine.
Okay, ini untuk apa two state solution ni aku sudah faham apa maksudnya sebab di video kemarin aku ada cakap tentang two state solution. Jadi selepas aku buat video tu aku ada cari tahu lah, cari info tentang apa maksudnya tentang two state solution tu. Jadi two state solution ni bermakna Indonesia ni contoh ini contoh lah, Indonesia di tengah kan, Israel di sini dan Palestina di sini di sebelah ni kan. Jadi apabila tu Israel tu Israel tu mengakui kemerdekaan Palestina, mengakui yang Palestina tu adalah sebuah negara, Indonesia akan mengakui juga yang Israel tu sebuah negara. Gitulah lebih kurang dia punya itu yang
We
aku
must
lebih kurang info yang
have
aku dapat.
an independent Palestine. But we must also recognize, we must also respect, and we must also guarantee the safety and security of Israel. Only then we can have real peace, and no longer hate and no longer suspicion. The only solution is this two-state
Two-state solution.
Two descendants of Abraham must
No.
live in reconciliation, peace, and harmony.
Two descendant of Abraham.
Arabs,
Mantap.
Muslims, Christians, Hindus, Buddhists, all religions, we must live as one human family. Indonesia is committed to being part
Oi, gila. Gila guys. Aku dari tadi aku diam tuh, aku fokus dengar apa yang Presiden Prabowo nih sampaikan dan memang ini yang paling mantap, guys.
of making this vision a reality. Is this a dream? Maybe, but this is the beautiful dream that we must work together towards. Let us work towards this noble goal. Let us continue humanity's journey of hope, a journey started by our forefathers, a journey that we must complete. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Shalom. Om Santi 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 Om. Namo Buddhaya.
Apa
Thank
Om
you very
Santi-Santi
much.
Om?
May God bless us all. May peace be upon us. Thank you very much.
Oh, nice speech lah, seriously. Nice speech. Pidato yang cukup bagi aku cukup hebat tanpa menggunakan satu teks. Fuh, luar biasa guys ya, luar biasa. Alright guys, jadi sampai situ salah reaction aku tentang pidato Presiden Prabowo pada sidang umum ke-80 PBB di New York ni kan guys. Ada yang pidato pertamanya tu pendek saja guys, tapi ini pidato fullnya. Pidato yang kedua ni, tapi ini one of the best pidato lah yang disampaikan oleh Presiden Indonesia Prabowo Subianto ni. Aku sebagai warga Malaysia, aku tengok Presiden Prabowo ni membuat pidato di depan ratusan pemimpin dunia begitu dengan ketegasan, dengan dia minta keadilan. Aku betul-betul respect. Aku betul-betul respect dengan Presiden Indonesia guys ya. Gila, luar biasa, tanpa menggunakan teks, tanpa menggunakan kertas. Dia berbicara di depan pemimpin-pemimpin dunia tu, termasuk ada pemimpin Amerika Syarikat, ada pemimpin Israel. Tengok betapa hebatnya. Wih, serius guys ya, aku dengar dari awal speech, ucapan yang disampaikan oleh Presiden Prabowo Subianto tu, dari awal video sampai ke akhir video semuanya penuh dengan isi. Tidak ada bagi aku tidak ada satu ayat pun yang buang masa, yang ada bunga-bunganya, ada basa-basinya, tiada. Ini terus terang, tembak, boom, terus pap, siapa mau terasa. Nah, begitu. Tadi sebenarnya kalau kamu perasan, aku perasan lah. Ada beberapa ayat tuh yang kalau aku jadi presiden Amerika, kalau aku jadi presiden Israel tuh, aku akan terasa lah. Nah, tapi inilah yang membuatkan Presiden Prabowo nih betul-betul aku respect. Serius guys, aku respect habis guys ya, sebab dia punya pidato, dia punya ucapan di depan ratusan pemimpin dunia. Memang lain macam, tanpa menggunakan apa-apa guys ya, tanpa menggunakan apa-apa. Nah, tengok tuh kertas yang dia bawa tuh pun dia tak baca guys. Pertama sih untuk dia sebut memberikan penghormatan kepada presiden-presiden PBB itulah. Nah, itu sih nama-nama presiden PBB, tapi yang selanjutnya itu tidak ada. Dan semuanya tuh aku boleh katakan memang cukup dengan isi, sampai dengan orang-orang semua, sampai dengan apa yang ingin disampaikan kepada AS sama Israel tuh. Serius, respect guys, respect. Okay guys, jadi sampai sini reaction aku, dan see you in the next video in Comment Rec.